Thanks for staying with us here on Channel 5 News at noon. It's 12:25, and we're finally catching a break from the rain. We've been dealing with the showers, particularly in the upper valley. It's never gotten particularly wet in the lower valley. There's been an occasional little bit of drizzle. The best showers have always been in the upper valley, particularly in Starr County, but they're even shifting out of there right now. We switch over to the high resolution radar, which really picks up on where the best rain is, and as you can see, we are relatively dry. Now, I can't rule out still an occasional little drop from the little kind of that hazy, foggy mist out there. There's an occasional raindrop comes out. But as far as real showers, yeah, that's moving on out of Starr County. But I don't think we're completely done with the rain chance. Though the afternoon is probably going to be relatively dry, I think we're going to have some more showers work in here, particularly during the evening hours. That's because a warm front is lifting over us, and that's why already temperatures are starting to get a little bit warmer than they were yesterday, and we're going to continue to warm as this warm front continues to very slowly move over us. And that's going to lead to a pretty muggy night as well. Temperatures tonight are going to be about 10 degrees warmer than they were even this morning. But then this little cold front, that's going to work over us tomorrow night. And so the warm up will be kind of put on hold. We're not going to cool down all that much. It's a weak front, but we will see our temperatures come down just a little bit. So we're still going to be dealing with patchy fog during the early afternoon. I think as you get in the late afternoon, though, we're going to catch a little bit of a break as our temperatures rise just enough to kind of get rid of the fog for a little while. But notice how those showers start to pop back up again. That's at 5 o'clock. And as we get later into the evening hours, here we are at 11, maybe a few more. We'll call it isolated showers, so we're not completely done with the rain chance yet. And also, it looks like as the temperatures come back down, that fog is going to start to form again. I don't think it's ever going to be real dense because there's going to be a little bit of a breeze, but it will be foggy at times. And that'll linger into tomorrow morning. I think we're going to be dry tomorrow morning, but just kind of dealing with those thick clouds still and that fog. Now, I know we haven't seen the sun in a long time, but I think we will see a little bit tomorrow afternoon. Notice how the clouds thin out just enough. We'll call it mostly cloudy. It'll be a breezy day, and I think highs are actually going to be around 80 degrees. So it's going to be even warmer than we were today. But then a cold front arrives, and this is late at night. We may see a few showers pop up in the evening hours. The best chance is probably going to be overnight, but notice not rain along the entire cold front. So it's not the most impressive front, and don't get your hopes up for seeing rain, but there is going to be another rain chance associated with that. So for much of the afternoon, it's just going to be cloudy skies, maybe a few showers out there, and that little bit of patchy fog and haze. Our high today about 72, so we're going to keep on warming up into the low 70s, a little bit warmer than it was yesterday. And then tonight, it's going to be a muggy one. We're only going to get down to 66, and that might be during the early evening hours. We may warm up overnight to about 69 or so. Isolated showers, but again, much of the night, just cloudy skies, kind of patchy fog. More of the same as we've been dealing with since the weekend. Now, I think a little bit of sun tomorrow afternoon, but then that cold front moves in, and so we're talking about that shower chance returning for the evening, particularly the overnight hours. A little bit warmer, though, up to 80 degrees, and then we cool back down, 76. But not a complete washout. 84 is going to be our high on winter, the first day of winter. And then we cool down a little bit, down to 80 degrees on Friday, just because we're going to have a few more clouds and a few more showers popping up. But the cold front doesn't arrive until Friday night. That one is going to be a little more substantial. That'll cool us down about 10 degrees, down to 71. We're dry Saturday and much of the day Sunday, which is Christmas Eve. In fact, we're going to have Christmas on the forecast later this afternoon. Hard to believe. I think we're going to be about 70 degrees during the day, but a cold front comes in, and